Hello, NeXT community. I wanted to show you what a drive harness with the combo floppy, hard drive, and optical drive look like. 95% of the time, these are DOA. We do have a way of rebuilding them. They did on the Turbo Cube boards take away the optical drive connector as it just was that unreliable. Granted, it was the world's first optical read-write disc, and NeXT really pushed Canon to produce them, and create them. But they had a lot of problems. One, they were very slow. They're neat when they're working, don't get me wrong, but, the idea was to have a computer in your pocket with a 256 meg optical disc. And then you can take it over to another cube and put your optical disc in and it would boot it up. Well, there weren't that many cubes out there, and often, for whatever reason, the optical drive that worked on one cube would not work on another. So that idea kind of did not work out as well. But they were replaced by hard drives, and the original hard drives were 7-pounders. And technology improved. So I just wanted to make a short video showing you the drive harness of a standard 68/40/25 megahertz system with the dual combo floppy optical drive. And this is going to be going to Sean. And you don't have an optical drive with your configuration, and I am inserting a CD DVD, which I think you'll find much more useful because it actually works. Okay, stay tuned. More fun stuff to come from the black hole. Also, Daniel, I have your systems. The motherboards are going out with a batch of boards today. Matt has not had time to do them for me here in the last month or so. Apologies, everybody, for the delay. I am working with what I have available, and Matt is well worth the wait. I mean, the systems are over 30 years, and another few weeks, believe me, is well worth it. Appreciate everybody's time and business, and have a wonderful day.